Hey everyone, this week we are talking about one laptop per child, and I believe that schools should supply computers to all students. I also believe that the one laptop per child should not be limited to only those children in developing countries. Computers or similar electronic devices should be provided to all students. Technology plays an important role in the education of students, therefore, all students should have equal access to these laptops, devices, regardless of their socioeconomic status. It is essential for students to learn how to use technology because it is necessary for higher education and it is also necessary for the workforce. Students who have their own laptops can work on homework independently in class, or they can work on it independently at home. There are many teachers who share homework assignments online, so students would never have to worry about not being able to do their homework if they have their own laptop. So if they didn't get something finished in class and they need to work on it at home and their family doesn't have the same access to technology, they would still be able to complete their homework with their own laptop. Also, if these laptops are used to eliminate textbooks, this would alleviate students from having to carry several heavy textbooks home in their backpack, which we all know is very bad for their growing statures and their backs. They would just have everything on one device, and that one device they can take with them wherever they need to. When I was in high school, we had limited access to a mobile iPad lab and also a couple different computer labs in the school. And our availability to use these depended on when all of the other teachers wanted to use them. And usually, my teachers had to schedule a day to use the mobile iPad lab several weeks out because we had a high school of about 2,000 students and only a couple of mobile iPad labs. So, really, my high school, I think, was probably the beginning of the technology as far as iPads. And now I think they have more for them to use. But each student having their own also alleviates having teachers having to schedule to use an iPad lab or teachers having to schedule a trip to the computer lab and only being able to use it for a week out of the semester instead of every day. Also, students have a greater access to information with technology and the internet as opposed to only using textbooks in class. Possibilities are endless. They can do their own research with the internet and create their own projects with technology. And I really think that each student having their own would also increase participation and student enjoyment in class. Thanks, guys.